What if the grind finally became stillness? What if your home wasn't just four walls, but a sanctuary? A place built to recharge the body, quiet the mind, and remind you this is your life, not a rehearsal. For less than the cost of a car, a legacy begins. To live not just in the space, but in meaning. A structure that gives more than it takes. That grows in value and in presence beneath the beauty. For over a decade, this company has been mastering the quiet art of permanence. Each home, a statement. Each detail, intentional. 15 awards in 2 years, but none of it was built for applause. It was built for legacy. In a world full of fleeting trends, we chose roots. Because to us, a home isn't a product, it's a sacred promise. A place where time slows, where comfort settles in, where life unfolds the way it's meant to. Steady and sure. 50 years, 2/3 of your life spent in one place. It should feel like a gift. Every nail placed with purpose, every line written with care. Over 500 homes delivered, each one a chapter in someone's story. And behind it all, founder with a vision, awarded Global Entrepreneur of the Year, not for ambition, but for devotion to excellence, to integrity, to people.
From day one, this was never about just building houses, but a legacy and a luxurious home.
The world may forget trends, but it never forgets craftsmanship.